Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to implement lead code problem. The problem number is 232. Okay, so the question is implement queue using stack. So so implement the first in first out queue using only two stack. Okay, the implement queue should support all the function of a normal queue, push, peak, pop, and empty. Okay, so I need to create push, peak, pop, and empty. So this is a push are used to add append the element. Okay, pop are used to remove the first element. I mean top element. Peak are used to return the top element without removing it. Empty return that queue is empty or not. Okay, so here these are the functions already given by lead code, so I need to create some stack here. Self dot stack in. Here self dot stack out equals to. Okay, so these are the empty stacks. uh, this is these are the two stacks. So this one used for self dot stack in is used for store the store the operation like push operation that we can append the values, and then stack out I need to write like pop operations and peak operation that we need to out it from the stack. Okay, so this is for push operation and this is for peak and pop operation. Okay guys, so after that I want to move on post function. So this is used for append the element in a stack. So self self dot self input self dot stack in. Okay, so because we are going to use this one, self dot stack in dot append x. Okay, in pop function I need to use self dot move. Okay, and self dot stack underscore out dot pop, that it will remove element from the top. Okay, so this is for pop self move. This is the function we are going to call one function. This is move are used for transfer. Okay, I will tell you after this. Okay, so self dot move and self dot stack dot out dot pop. Okay, and after that I need to return peak function. Peak okay, in peak I need to write same function same dot move. It's mode not move. It's move not mode. Okay, and self dot out stack out -1. Okay, so that it will return top element. Okay, and now I'm going to move in empty function. So here I need to return not self dot stack in and not self dot stack out. Self dot stack out and not self dot stack out. Okay, so here here we need to check our our both stack is empty or not. Okay, so I need to create another function, move. Okay, so move self. Okay, so if not self dot stack, if not self dot stack, okay, if not self dot stack out, while self dot stack underscore n. Okay, again self dot stack out, self dot stack out dot append self dot stack in pop. So guys, you can see here, this is the helper function to move element. Okay, so move is a helper function to move the element from stack into stack out. Okay, only when needed. Okay, so it is used to move a stack in into a stack out, and only transfer if the stack out is empty. Okay, here you can see only transfer at its stack out, only transfer when stack out is empty. So here define move function, if not self dot stack is out. Now we are going to run it. Oh guys, if not self dot stack, oh god, I made mistake here, so I forget to return here. Oh my goodness, same here. Okay, so I want to run again runtime error. Guys, I think define peak, I have removed mistakenly peak function from here. Okay guys, so this is our result. I don't know how do I was remove function from here, so I think uh, it was my fault. So we are going to define peak function again and self dot move and return self dot stack. out -1. Okay, so our overall test has been passed. My q push, these are the push element. Okay, I mean push means appended element. Okay, peak element, empty list, pop, empty list, and empty equals to also empty. My q, this one. Okay, so this is null, this is null, this is null, and this is one, this is false. Here you can check also implement queue using stack. This is stack used for push operation, this is stack used for pop operation. Okay, so this pop push are used to append the element one by one in stack. Okay, so pop element are used to remove the element from the stack, and peak are used to return the top element from the stack. Empty will check the stack is empty or not, and move function are used to transfer the stack into a stack out or stack out into a stack. Okay, so this is the problem from lead code. Problem number is 232, implement queue using stack. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubts, please do comment, and I am going to upload this file on GitHub, so you can check. I will provide link in a description. I will provide you GitHub link in my description of YouTube videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care, love you. Please do share, subscribe, and watch my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is for example uses. I forget to explain it to you. So this is the object and this is the myq for class, this one. And this is the element that we are going to append 1 2, and this is the element that we got from the top, and this is for remove, and this is for empty. So you can see here 1 append, 2 append, and because we remove 1 and q equals to 2, so q equals to empty, so this is the output. Okay, bye bye, take care.